Hi, fifth graders. So today is more practice. In fact, this is your last day of doing multi-digit multiplication. So if you're behind on any lessons, I really suggest going back, especially if you didn't do lesson 11 for some bizarre reason. So today's lesson 12, it's just practice of what you already know. So we are not going to do any new learning today. It is just practice. So you have two problems that you must do. These are the minimum amount, and that's question 1. Sorry, my pencil's dying. There we go. So question 1 is your must do. The very minimum are these two problems here. You're going to estimate and then solve using the standard algorithm. And don't forget your decimal in there, because if you don't have a decimal, it's wrong. So here's what I want you to do. On the next slide, there's going to be a countdown timer for 10 minutes. I want you can set that, you could set your watch, have a parent remind you in 10 minutes to stop, but I want you working for 10 minutes to see how many problems you can get done. So hopefully in 10 minutes, you can get done these two problems, but if you're able to, I want you to keep going on the back side. So these problems here, you're doing that same thing. You're estimating. That's what the lines are for. And then you're solving using the standard algorithm. This isn't enough room for me to solve, so you could always do it on a whiteboard and maybe copy your work down here once you're done. So again, 10 minutes, that's it. I want you to work. But if you don't finish these two problems in 10 minutes, I still want you to finish them. This is the minimum you're doing. And then if you have more time, these are the other problems you should be doing, or should do problems. Although I'm going to say question C and question D, they have numbers that are less than 1. So it's going to be a little bit tricky to figure out where the decimals go in your answer. So C and D, I'm going to call them our challenge problems. You can still do them. And then on the very last slide, I'll have our work on there. I want you to check it. Check your work to see how you did today. And if you struggled, tomorrow, I really want you to come to my small group so we can practice this, because tomorrow's going to be the topic check-in. All right, so 10 minutes. Again, at the very least, I want you to finish these two problems. Good job, everybody. Let's get it done.